No to vlog and see where this takes us. Okay. So I'm going to bath, come back and do my hair and my makeup. But I want to do my face first. Okay. So I can look pretty for my event. Yeah, I was supposed to sleep and relax, but then what talk about it? I ain't coming. Peace out. So it's okay. I'm gonna suck it up and make it go. Let me get ready.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times and can I testify for you? I told her like you, that bitch I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now it for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, doing, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier right with you, I feel like Scarface. White bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Last habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grow when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Ain't one way. Are you fronting on me? Ain't one way. Are you blaming on me? You ain't one way. Are you threatening to leave it on the main one point? Just tryna be you everything. Ain't one point. Are you fighting with me and on the main one point? Are you blaming on me if you was main one point? Are you blaming and leaving on the main one point? Let me lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. you know you make me so. Good to know what you feel, baby. I said you be open up your mind and just fast. I'm about to let you know you make me so. You make me so. You make me so. You make me I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, for your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl did that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it. Don't you what you want? Oh, what it got, just put it in a song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want? Oh, what it got, just put it in a song. Alright. Put day in my mind, shift to take a step out. Get some air now, flip to edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? Finding rest now, drop me bomb down. You, baby, baby, baby. Covering on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some similar change that we all for in my mind. Let it go, wait. Gotta hold my own across to let her know now. Ooh, way to deal, way to feel the mood. No, you like that shit. Ooh, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. Back and forth on you, in the first of May. Still worried now, wasted the best in me. All you, baby, you don't care. Trying to be the nuisance, it's just urgent. And it makes a similar change of me, oh boy, in my mind. Let go away, what's holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wait my almost feel that it's wrong. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Sunny inside, still be with you. Focus on me, baby. Can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I'm feeling low even when I'm alone. And when I don't go touching, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? If I had you back, I wouldn't have did all that. I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times and can I testify for you? I told her like you, that bitch I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now it for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, doing, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex around you, I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Last Paris, take a home when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying, I can't lose when I'm with you. can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Are you frontin' on me? I'm the main one crying. Are you blaming on me? You the main one lying. Are you threatening me? Think I'm the main one crying. Just tryna be you everything. Main one crying. Are you frontin' on me? And I'm the main one crying. Are you blaming on me? If you the main one crying. Are you threatening me? And I'm the main one crying. Love when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Look at it. Look at it, mama, man. Look at it. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I can lend you.
Potentially this weekend, we will be there, so if you're in Sandton Mall, hop around. But really, tonight is all about you.
We have a South African proverb that reads, if you have a lot to do, start with a meal. I like to say, start with great makeup. I feel like fashion and makeup is so powerful in the sense that when you look good, you feel great. And when you feel great, your interaction with the next person is absolute quality. And I think that is a really great catalyst for great change.
I'll get you right with your physical. Always that's another interlude. That's another question.
Rehearsing this, and you can't rehearse this feeling like that. So if I stumble a little bit, then bear with me. But welcome to the most anticipated makeup launch of the century. I know that most of you use the product already. You've reached out on social. It's not done almost, because Makarui has also a surprise for you. So
These better niggas Thursday, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. I know you feel me. Yeah.
Today is the next day after the NARS event, and I want to do some unboxing. So this is what we got, and let's open it. What's inside? It's the NARS. And first thing, we have the NARS. Red color, and then cherry mascara. This is how we do. And then last, not least, what is this? Pigment, lip pigment. We have the NARS lip pigment. Thank you so much. Good night.